Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to safely jack up your Tesla Model 3. First, always prioritize safety by working on a flat, level surface. Gather your essential tools: a reliable jack, 2 sturdy jack stands, and 4 specialized jack pads. These pads are crucial for protecting your vehicle's battery and chassis. Never attempt to lift your car without these vital safety precautions in place. Your safety is paramount. Now, let's locate the 4 designated jack points on your Tesla Model 3. You'll find these small, circular areas on the underside of the vehicle, near each wheel. They are specifically designed to safely support the car's weight. It's absolutely essential to use specialized jack pads with a diameter of about 2.5 inches. These pads prevent damage to the battery pack and the vehicle's structural integrity during the lifting process. With your jack pads in place, position your jack directly under one of the 4 designated jack points. Ensure the jack pad is centered to distribute the weight evenly. Slowly and steadily raise the vehicle until the tire is just a few inches off the ground. Once lifted, immediately place a sturdy jack stand securely next to the jack point. This provides crucial secondary support, preventing accidental lowering. After completing your work, it's time to safely lower your Tesla Model 3. First, carefully remove the jack stand from its position. Then, slowly and gradually lower the vehicle using the jack until all 4 wheels are firmly on the ground. Once lowered, always double-check that all lug nuts are tightened to the manufacturer's specified torque, typically 129 foot-pounds. This ensures your wheels are secure for driving.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.